Hey guys, I'm here at the ASC building. Um, okay, I'm redoing this video because I felt like I need to. So, okay, here goes. I feel that people, people, it's a gift that if you could talk to people, making them feel better without having judgments against them or any bias against them. It's a gift because not every person could do it. And I know most people will be like, hey, my God, stop talking to me. Total bitch. Whatever. No, but I'm serious. I'm just really hyper and it's like hot and oh my God. So anyway, I was hearing this success story yesterday about this one person that was a actor director. I'm not sure if his name was Charlie Thomas or I can't remember right now, and I look like a waffle, but yeah So yeah, anyway, he is an actor director. I can't remember this right now. It's like out of my head, but yeah. Today, wow, I didn't know there was. I'm just look at this because I've never been on this side of the building before. So I just attended a college fair. Yeah. It's here at the ASC building where there's so many colleges. There's A&M, Texas State, and NMU. I thought NMU was like the same as NMSU, but it's not. So yeah, it's a completely different concept. Um, I feel like exercising because I think that since no one's here yet, and I'm here bored, and I got um 2 hours to go, I feel that I should do something productive. I should probably write or upload this video as soon as I'm done, but I don't know why. I just feel so tired, and my hair's all like fucked up. You know what? I'm gonna take you guys into the college first so you can see where I was at. Because since I'm here, I could show you what I'm doing. Okay? So follow me. Here's the entrance. And here are all the colleges. There's a lot of them. So, guys, if you really care about your education, visit a college where you could actually continue your education because the education is key to success. So is knowledge, but that's a different topic. Anyway, today I just feel so. I don't know. Today it just. I guess it's probably the weather because it's hot, and I feel that the weather changes people's moods, changes the whole aspect of the day. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm probably just trying to review right now. I probably lost topic of whatever I'm doing, but I know I'm doing a vlog because. That's what I do, you know what I'm saying? That's how I do. But anyway, college for success, knowledge, a gift to talk to people, and the success story. I think I covered everything. If you want to know more or want any advice from me, I'm probably the best advice giver, even though I don't take it. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I give pretty good advice, even if I'm not in the situation you're in. But yeah, so catch me on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, Jumbo/Bro, Jumbo Slice, and the Slice of it. So I'll see you guys later and have a wonderful day, cause you know it's awesome. Bye.